Understanding canning season. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase canning season. This is a fascinating expression that's not only important in English but also offers a glimpse into cultural practices. So, let's dive in and uncover its meanings and implications. Canning season refers to a specific time of the year when fruits and vegetables are at their peak and are preserved for future use. This period typically falls in late summer or early autumn. The process of canning involves preserving food in jars or cans, ensuring it remains edible for an extended period. This was historically significant before refrigeration became commonplace, and it remains a popular practice for many today. Originally, canning was a vital survival technique. It allowed people to store food for the winter months when fresh produce was scarce. Today, it's a blend of tradition, health, and sustainability. People enjoy canning as a way to preserve organic produce, reduce waste, and maintain a connection to their cultural or family traditions. In language, canning season often connotes more than just preserving food. It symbolizes preparation, self-sufficiency, and resourcefulness. It's a term that's also used metaphorically to describe a time of preparation and saving for future needs. We hope this video has been informative and gives you a clear understanding of canning season and its place in both language and culture. Remember, phrases like these are more than just words. They're windows into history, tradition, and lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting language insights.